Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about No Man's Sky error code 1516200XE08 East 765611988410424. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game on desktop, and the game crashes a few seconds after launching. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but it looks like a new and general issue which might be coming because of many different reasons. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the internet. Once both are restarted, launch the game and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. Simply go to the game library and see if any updates are available for No Man's Sky. If yes, install them and check for the error. If the error continues, then check if your gaming device needs a system update. Simply open your system settings and check for any pending updates, and if you see any pending updates, install them, and then see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, try connecting your device over a different network. Simply use another Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot and check if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.